Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. So welcome to another episode of the Binbot Pro Trading Progress. So today is the 10th of January. It's not too long after my previous video on Binbot Pro progress. So right now my balance is at 8800, so in fact it's very near 8900. So it's just a quick update of what's my progress right now. So after the testing and comparison of the new robot settings and trying to optimize when to actually apply the robot and when best to turn on the robot, I've managed to bring up my balance from 2700 to right now very close to 9 grand. So so far it's really looking really good right now. So if you guys are interested in trading using my methods, so make sure you guys email me with the contact details you see on your screen right now, and make sure you contact me before you register an account. So and that way, if you register and fund an account using my referral link, you guys will get the trading methods for free. Otherwise, if you already have an account, do drop me an email and then we'll discuss how we can move forward. Get my trading method and also join my mailing list for like updates on whether there's a new tweaks on my trading methods and also like trading or any other changes to the trading methods. Yeah. So before we move on to the next segment of this video, today's video is just going to be more trade examples. In fact, there'll be 4 trade examples. If you guys just don't know, I've been really selective in trading the markets using the Binbot Pro Trading Software. Reason being is in binary options trading, you should try to be more selective in which trading market situation or like what type of movement that you guys trade. So in that sense, it's easier for you guys to control your risk and also the performance in the longer term. So if you guys think that in like to trade Binbot Pro is like, you know, like hard work doesn't mean that you have to trade like a lot of trades during one day. That doesn't mean you're putting a lot of work. In fact, most of the time when if you look at the charts and decide not to trade, that itself is a very good action, because most of the time we have to be really patient for an ideal situation before we turn on the robot. All right, so before we go into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you guys find this content really helpful. The next segment of the video, guys. Alright guys, so we have an alert here and the ATR level is actually dropping below the red line now, so we will execute robot V3. Click it run now, because the timer when the alert came out was very near to 30 seconds, so I'm not really sure whether it was 30 seconds or not, but let's see how the trade goes, how the trade pan out. Alright. So this will be actually a method D trade, right? Since the ATR level is below the red line. Alright guys, so we have an open trade, a call trade at 5:10. Let me turn off the robot. Let's see, put a call trade at 5:10. Let me change the color. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait for this trade to expire. Okay guys, we're back. So unfortunately the trade didn't pan out quite well for us. The direction actually went straight down. In fact, the ATR level is dropping from the blue directly to the purple line. So right now my balance is at 7200 instead, so that's just too bad. Well, it's just part of trading, so it's normal. So let's move on to the next example. Alright guys, so we have another alert right now. Now it's 5:25:07 and the ATR level is just hovering on the purple line. So we'll be using the same method as the previous example, which is method D. So right now we're going to wait for the timer to reach 5:25:30 seconds. Alright, so and we're going to stand by at test robot V3 for this trade. So 5 more seconds. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the robot right now and then wait for a trade. So pretty much just a small reminder on method D. If the stochastic RSI alert appears before the timer reach like the 30-second, so we just have to wait for it. Like for example, we wait for 5:25:30. But however, if the alert comes out right now, 5:25 like 50, we can execute the robot immediately. All right, so that's the difference. Alright guys, so now we have an put trade open. Let me turn off the robot. Put trade right over here. So we're going to see how these trades pan out. Alright, so 526 put trade. So yeah, balance at 6500. Alright guys, so we're back. So apparently we've won the trade so let me change the arrow to green. So as you can see, the stochastic RSI it might cross again. So just a gentle reminder, do not take this type of a cross, like the stochastic cross that happened within the next 15 minutes before, like after the cross. Alright, so you should wait for the next one. Alright, so let's move on to the next example. Alright guys, so we have an alert right now at 6:42:08, around 08. So we'll wait for the timer to reach 6:42:30. And why? Because we are using this exact same method, which is method D. So because the ATR is just between the purple and the red line. Alright, so we have about 5 seconds to wait, and then we'll turn on the robot. Okay. Alright, so we'll turn on the robot right now. Okay, so we'll wait for the trade to be executed. Actually, I don't really like the movement right now. It's like almost like a horizontal channel, but we'll see how it goes. Probably stop trading after this, but we'll see. Alright, so we have a put trade open at 6:43. Let me turn off the robot. A put trade at 6:43 right here. Okay, alright, so we're back. Clearly we've won this trade. It's a good trade. The ATR level is going back to the purple line now, so we can see based on the trade history. Okay, so good. So right now my balance is back up to 8300, so that's fantastic. Okay, so it's going good. Actually, let's see. So today I've done 3 trades, 2 win 1 loss right now. So to be honest, I'm going to stop trading because I don't like this horizontal channel movement. You guys can actually refer to the previous episode for more explanation on this. Alright, so be right back guys. Alright guys, so right now it's 2:37 in the afternoon. So let me check the investing calendar just in case for any like 3 bulls news. If I'm not wrong, we will have one very soon. Let me see. Okay, but in 20 minutes will be the Canada one, so it's not relevant to our pair. But however, in 52 minutes, GBP and USD will have 3 bull news. So I'll probably take one trade. I think, yeah, one trade. Definitely if within like 30-40 minutes towards the news, I would advise you guys not to actually trade. So right now the conditions for method A. So it's been a long time since you guys probably see a method A example. So method A and method E will be similar. So we have to wait for RSI to go out the channel, and ATR has to be above the yellow line, so which is clearly shown on this graph right here. So what are we waiting for is for the stochastic RSI, which is the middle indicator, to form a small X, like a small cross. So once the small cross is visible, and then you can turn on the robot the moment you see the cross. Alright, so the key to this is like it's preferably that you will watch the stochastic RSI forming, which is right now. You can watch it from the earlier on. So because like if you see the cross in the previous oscillation, they cross multiple times, so it's better to catch the first one outside the channel. Alright, so right now the stochastic is about to cross. I see the blue line is about to cross the red line, because before this is like a horizontal, it's right on the channel of the AD channel, so we don't take crosses in within the channels, the purple channel. Okay, so and you can also see like crosses from before. There's like okay, right now it's forming an X right now, so small cross. So I'm gonna turn on the test robot for V1 right now. Okay, so the moment we see the cross, we turn on the robot. Okay. So Alright, so right now we have an open trade, call trade at 240. Let me turn off the robot. Call trade at 240, which is at this bar right here. Okay, so we'll see how the trade goes. Alright guys, so apparently we have won this trade, which is good trade. So I'm pretty much more comfortable with method A and method E. I would say they are more reliable as well compared to the other methods. I'm not saying that the others can't be used, it's just that if you want to compare all the methods, it is a bit more riskier to use the other ones. Method A and method E is the best for me personally. So right now my balance it's at 8800, so definitely a good good sign of progress. I'm really happy with the progress right now. So I think that's all for today's episode guys. So make sure, remember to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys find this video useful. And also if you guys are interested in trading Binbot Pro using my trading methods, make sure to email me again at these contact details you see on your screen before you register on and also fund your account. All right, so that will actually give you access give you access not only to my PDF guides but also a mailing list privileges for like future updates or tweaks on the trading method itself. All right, so that's all guys, so trade safe.